Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And of course, a lot of people are asking me if September the 20th is still the day of release of Windows 11 22H2. Everything is pointing towards that. One is, of course, last week there was a couple of users that said they received new Dell computers. And when they looked at what version of Windows 11 was on their machine, they actually saw that it was 22621.521 version 22H2. So that's the first thing. It seems that some machines are already shipping. That means usually we're days away from a update. And the other thing is a website that looks at different servers on Microsoft has started spotting the images, the ISO, for Windows 11 on the Microsoft servers. Once again, kind of pointing that tomorrow, September 20th, is a good chance it is officially the day of release for Windows 11 22H2. If you are waiting for the images for 22H2, a lot of you are asking that question. When will the Windows 11 download page be updated with the latest version? Well, as soon as it's official, which technically is supposed to be tomorrow, September 20th, the images will be available online, which means when you go to the Windows 11 page and download the images, you should be getting the new 22H2. Now, as a precaution, I would actually recommend that you keep an image of the first version of Windows 11 also, because you never know what could happen. You never know how the release is going to go on standard machines. Right now, just insiders are testing it, but it will be rolling out to general users. So if you are downloading, or if you go tomorrow and there's only 22H2, well, today, September 19th, might be the time to download the images for the first version, actually, version 20, build 22,000. So I'll post a link anyways to the download page again for Windows 11 in case you want to do that. There's no harm in having the old and the new images to create USB bootable thumb drives, or anyways to keep just in case you'll be able to install the first version of Windows 11 if something is wrong on the second or on the 22H2 or what I'd like to call Windows 11 2.0. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and the link to the download is in the description below.